Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the AI face effect on TikTok. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So this new AI face filter is going viral and many TikTokers are now experimenting with this app. The AI face filter is available from TikTok. So let me show you how to access it and how to use it. So to find the AI face effect, first open up your TikTok app. Next, you're going to tap on the plus sign here. Now you're going to tap on effects at the bottom left. Then tap on search. And here you're searching for AI face. Now scroll down until you see AI face. And this is the effect which you're looking for. AI face. It's got a square and it's got AI at the bottom left. So go ahead and tap on it. Once you do that, you'll see this screen here. Here you need to place your face in the center. So let me just do that off the camera. You first need to press the record button. Now it will show you a template and then try to fit your face in it. Then it'll show you a countdown and take a picture. Now once that's done, it'll then ask you what you want to transform that picture into. So here you can type in whatever you like. So I'll put down King Kong and Tintin. Then I'll press create. Now wait for it to create you the picture. And there you go. That's King Kong and Tintin together. And that is how to use the AI face effect on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.